about to turn this into this. Oh, that's the wrong car. Damn. Guys, I don't know what to say about this car. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. Hackfab did a wonderful job with this car. I'm going to get into a few of the things about this car. So, I know everybody going to ask these wheels, yeah, so I had 2 sets of them. That's the second set I told a few people in the comments. This car, I mean, look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this thing is beautiful. All right, so I took my other car and I converted it. So I'm going to tell you what I got so far. You'll notice I got the 2 battery packs right here. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go with this. I will go over that a little bit later, what I'm talking about on that. This is the stock ESC, not ESC, I'm sorry, servo. May keep it, may not keep it. Not sure just as of right now. And you notice the new motor is installed in this one. But now let me show you. I do have another motor mount, but I didn't really like it as much as I like the one that I got on the other car. But this is the stock one, so of course you don't have any holes. I just got it mounted in there just to show you guys what it looked like. That's pretty much it. But let me show you this, guys. All these holes in this car, I mean, you got so many different ways you can go with the motor mounts. Now, I elected to move mine a little bit forward. This is going to be a speed run car. This is a 2-wheel drive car. So, this car is pretty light. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the new motors, but I can tell you, they put out torque like crazy. Like crazy, crazy, crazy. So, I wanted to move my weight towards the front so we can try to keep the front end now. Hopefully it doesn't do that bad. I don't know, because I mean it's a I don't know, it's a longer wheelbase car than a stock Mini B, Mini T, Mini B and Mini T. But I mean, like I say, it's a couple different things I got to do. What I like about these battery mounts, I could actually go with a longer pack. I could bring these battery mounts all the way back here. Probably could fit almost an 1800 or 1600 or something like that in there. I still hadn't decided which direction I'm going to go. I may keep this motor, and I may just test this motor. I may even put the Mumble motor that I got brand new from the other ESC. I'm just really not sure yet. I may test this one, and I may go, because this one's rated for 3S easy. Thinking about going to a 4S setup and just do possibly 2 4S packs, run them in parallel, or I might do, I don't know, 2 2S packs and just run those in parallel. But I think 650 milliamps won't be enough for what I want to do. But these motors are real efficient. They run really efficient. Had decided on the ESC, but I will show you why I really like this car. I actually talked to the guy that owns Hackfab, and I really was asking him, hey, how about something like this? You know, I know he was doing the one where it was in the middle, but I really wanted it too, and I think he may have had that in mind. Because, you know, you got a bunch of speed run guys that like to do speed runs. But I'm going to show you ESCs. I still don't know which way I'm going to go. May go with the Tekin. Not really sure yet. But this is a Mamba Max, I think it is. But look how easy it just fit right in there. I mean, I can stick it in there and put my receiver in there. No problem. Plenty of space. Plenty of space. I really like that about this car. And this is basically a Mamba Monster Pro. It is a rebadged Traxxas ET3. But now this was originally a 3S ESC, but I flashed it to a 6 with the capsule software. I mean, just tons of space. Pretty much do what I want to do in here. I mean, I don't really know what to say about this car. This car is just, it's beautiful. When I say it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Now, I don't have all the parts on there because, I mean, I'm still stuck with, I'm going to grab a couple of them. This is the post, body post. This is the carbon fiber front tower. This should be the rear tower, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's the rear tower. And I still got some other parts. I think this is part of the tower, rear tower also. could be wrong, but I still got some more parts. And I also, I probably showed you these early limiters. I am going to lower this thing a little bit. I don't think the ride height is high, but with the kind of power that this motor produces, or should produce based on some of my past motors, I need to let it down as far as I possibly can. Just because this thing is probably going to pull the front end up. But that's why I got the wheelie bar. That's why I got the wheelie bar. And you'll notice also that right now I don't have the CVDs in. I'm going to go ahead and get another set just like I put on the other car. I have the MIPs, I think. I think we're going to go with an MIP slipper clutch. Or I might just put my Eliminator on it. I'm not really sure yet. I don't know if that's going to be too much or not, but it may feel better with the Eliminator. I might just eliminate the slipper altogether. I'm probably going to go with the lighter idler gear. I don't know how much of a difference it's going to make, but I just like upgrades. Probably going to do a different servo. I'm really not sure just yet. And I may even upgrade the shocks. I'm not sure. You guys put something in the comments what you would like to see me do with it. Besides running, because I know everybody going to say that. But, you know, it's going to be a little while before I get this one all the way like I want it. I still hadn't decided. I may even change this configuration and do a shorty in the middle with higher milliamps so I get more runtime. I'm just really not sure yet. But like I said, I think this motor, I'm going to run it, test it out, and I think I'm going to go with a different one because I may even go down to a higher KV motor and just run 2S to it. Not really sure. Or I may go with a real low KV and try to do 6S if they got a motor that I can build to that configuration. But, you know, all in all, guys, this car is just, you know, he really thought this thing out really well. I don't know what body I'm going to go with yet. But, I mean, when I say you can move these things all kind of ways, I can make this longer. I can go this direction. I can go straight down the middle. I mean, just so many different things I can do. I can put two down the middle. I can put these same setup down the middle. Put the ESC on one side and the, no, I'm going blank again, guys. The receiver on the other side. I mean, it's amazing. I can't believe this thing came out like this. And it took him a while because I talked to him. It's been some months ago. And I talked to him on Facebook. It's been some months, and he did it. When he did it right. He definitely did it right. I'm going to put a link in the description also of this chassis and the wheelie bar, which probably most of you guys are already familiar with it, I'm assuming, because I remember posting it on the group, the Losi group. But this thing is dope. Hadn't even driven it yet, and I can already tell you it's a winner. It's going to be real nice. I can see myself having some real fun with this thing. You guys put some comments below also and let me know what body you think I should go with. I'm going to give you a comparison also to the Losi Super B. I don't know what I'm going to call this one. But you'll notice the wheelbase is longer on this particular one. Now, you can adjust this with the weight these are right here in the back. You can move this forward if you want to. I still think even though after you move it forward, it's still going to be a little bit longer. It is going to be a little bit longer than the B also. But it's a much larger platform. It's not a lot, but it's enough to be really noticeable. Really wish Losi, when they came out with it, would have been more of this size. This probably would have been more of a 12 scale size, I'm thinking. But guys, stay with me on this video because I got some great stuff coming for this one. It is going to take a little time because I do have another build that I'm working on. And you guys saw that. I'm assuming you guys saw that. I'm not sure if you did yet with the Fury Tech. I'm still building that up. But I got something else that's coming also. It's going to be a crawler. It's going to be pretty dope. But thanks, guys, for watching. This is another episode of GNCRC, and we're out.